Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to tell you how to design a dashboard like this in React.js. Yeah, let's start. Here I already created a React project and also I'm running this project. Here I'm going to use this dashboard.js and also this dashboard.css. I imported that dashboard.css here and I'm going to use these images for this dashboard design, and I have all those images in this image folder. Yeah, let's start. First I'm going to split this screen into two parts. First, this is side menu. After this is a body section. So I'm going to split by using the grid. So here I'm going to add a div. Inside div, split the screen. So I'm going to add this one. I mean div, and here this is dashboard. So I add a D. This is D container, and copy this and save this. And here I'm going to use these colors, and inside this D container I'm going to use grid. So display grid. After that, grid template column. I'm going to split this entire screen into two part. So first one is side menu. I give 10% and another body section is 90%. After that, inside this D container I'm going to create two div. One is for side menu, another one is body. Okay, I need to add a D here. This is D body. Save this. After that, copy this and here dot body section dot D body, and here I'm going to give a background color, and this is gray, and I need to specify the height for this main container. So height is 100 VH, and save this. Go to browser. Yeah, we splitted the entire screen into two parts. Here I'm going to design a side menu, and I'm going to change this body color. Yeah, this is fine. Yeah, I'm going to design a side menu. Here, sorry, inside this D side, here I'm going to create a div, and inside div I'm going to create one more div. This is for a logo. Yeah, after the logo I'm going to design a side menus, and here I'm going to add a img tag, and here source C, and first I'm going to display the dashboard, this one, and here I'm going to mention a height. This is 40 pixel, and after that I'm going to add a span tag. This is dashboard, right? Yeah, first I save this, go to browser. Here I got design like this. I need to align this everything in center of this side menu. So this is the side menu, right? Sorry, here I want to add a class. This is D side center. Here text align center. I get everything in center, and I need to break this in one by one because this aligned in one row. So here I need to add a break tag. I just add a break tag, and this is okay, but here I need some spacing in between this. So here for logo, add a D logo, copy this, and here height is 50 pixel. Save this. Yeah, now we have some height to that, and or otherwise you can give padding or margin. I give margin. Okay, margin top and bottom is 20 pixel, and right and left will be 0. Yeah, this is also fine. And after that, font weight first I give font size this to 22 pixel and font weight is 800. Yeah, this is fine. I just increase this 20 to 25. Yeah, this is fine. And after that, this dashboard design is also okay, and I need to add some images to this. I'm going to duplicate this for 3 more times, and I'm going to add this member here, and this is Sam, and this revenue, sorry, paste that here, revenue, and finally settings. And capital S here. Yeah, this is fine. Now I'm going to add a spacing for this because these are all looks not good. So I'm going to add a spacing for that. So here class D menu. Okay, these are all menus, right? So I specify D menu, and here I'm going to add a margin. Margin top and bottom will be 10 pixel and left and right is 0. This is not good. I just increase this to 15. Yeah, this is okay. And after that I'm going to copy this and paste it here, and other menus too. Save this. Yeah, this height is fine. And after that I'm going to add a active style. Okay, here I'm going to design the active. This is active menu, right? So here I'm going to add a background color. Background color is just copy this color and paste it here. And before that I need some, first I will show you. First I'm going to copy this, and currently our active menu is this dashboard. I just add this here. In your case, user can click any menus, so you can add a condition for this class, and if that condition is true means you can apply this to, or otherwise you can remove this. Okay, yeah, now this is active menu, and I want some padding for this. So here I'm going to add a padding. Top and bottom is 5 pixel and left and right will be 0. I think this is okay, but here this is occupy the entire div, entire side menu left to right. So I am going to add some margin for this. Here I'm going to add a margin 5 pixel. Yeah, or you can add this to 8. Yeah, this is okay. And I'm going to add some border radius. This is 5 pixel. Yeah, this is good. And yeah, now I'm going to start design the body section. Here we have one header like this. Okay, so I'm going to design that in the body. I'm going to add a div, and here class name is the header. Copy that and save this and paste it here. Sorry, here I'm going to add a height first. This is 10 VH. After that I'm going to give a background is white. Save this. Yeah, this is fine. After that I'm going to give some content into it, so I'm going to add a span tag here, and this is dashboard. I just give, this is the profile name, and here I'm going to add a class. This is the user. Okay, and paste that here. This is, I'm going to add a display flex because I want to align that content in center. So Oh, sorry, I need to cut this and paste it here. Now our content dashboard is in vertically center. If I comment this line here, it's in the top, right? So I want this align item center, and also I'm going to align this text in the end. Okay, so justify content center, sorry, end. Now this content is displayed at end, but I want some spacing after this dashboard. So here, now margin right, okay, right is 10 pixel. Yeah, this is fine. I think little bit we need some space, so 15. And here font size is 19 pixel, and also font weight is just give 700 for this, or yeah, this is fine. Yeah, this looks good. Now the dashboard section, I mean header section, is also completed. I'm going to split this body section into two parts, because card and this two will be the one container and this right section will be the second container. Okay, so I'm going to split this body section into two parts. So after this d header, I'm going to add one more div. This is d inner body, or inner container, inner body container. Okay, copy this and save this, and after that paste that. Sorry, I need to copy this thing, I mean this name, and here display grid and grid template column. I'm going to split this for a 70. Okay, 70 percentage, and this section will be 30. Okay, so here 30 percentage. Yeah, this is fine. Save this, and after that I'm going to add a background for this. For now I'm just add a white color, and in future I will remove it. And I need to specify height for this. Here we already gave this header height is 10 vh, so we need to add here is 90 vh, then only scroll will not display here. Yeah, now this full screen is occupied by the second one, so I'm going to reduce this height to 89. Now we have some space at the bottom, or otherwise we can use 88. Yeah, this is also fine, or yeah, this is fine. And also I'm going to add a margin for this. Margin is 10 pixel. Now we got space after this, and here we got scroll, so we need to reduce little less. Yeah, now we don't have any scroll in this page, but this alignment is also perfect. Now I'm going to start a design. First I need to split this right here. I'm going to add a div, two divs, for we are going to split this into two sections, right? So this is container 1 d, and I'm going to duplicate this for one more time. I'm going to remove this one, and this is d container 2, and here copy this and go here, and here we need some spacing after this, so I'm going to add this width. Okay, here width is 100 percentage, and copy this one, and width is also 100 percentage, and I'm going to give background to this will be white, and one more time for this one, and I'm going to remove this one. Now save this, still we have the background like that. I mean previous one, same as the previous one. So I'm going to reduce this to 99 and this too. Okay, then only we will see the difference. Yeah, here we got a space, right? So we have some space in between this. We splitted this into two sections, and now I'm going to design this one. Okay, that card. Okay, so inside this I'm going to add one more div, and inside div I'm going to create a card. Okay, class, this is dcard. Okay, copy that and save this, and here card, I'm going to design a card here, and height is 120 pixel and width is 120 pixel, and background is I'm going to use this color for that. I need to add a as here, and first I save this and go here. I got a card, but for now we need this 5 cards, right? So here I'm going to add a class here. This is d card. Copy this, and before that I want to add a grid for this. After this, grid template column, repeat, and I'm going to display 5 cards, so 20%, and save this. Here I just duplicate this for 4 times. We get card like this, and after that I'm going to add some margin, 10 pixel, and I want to increase this card size to 230. This is fine, but I have some spacing after this, so I need to increase the card size to 35. And here this is 21%. If I add 21, that means I need to reduce this to 30. Now this is okay, but I need to reduce some space here, so just put back to 25. Yeah, this is okay, I think. Now I'm going to add a border radius for this, and here, yeah, I want to change the color of this cards. So here I want to copy this, and I want to add a one more time here. This is card, and this is card 1, this is 2, and this is 3, and this is 4. Okay, and after that I want to copy this one and paste it here, and second one, copy this and paste it here. Okay, and here, and we have these colors. I just put it this color, and final one will be this. I save this, go here. Oh, I need to add card 1, 2, 3 here. 1, 2, 3, and final one is 4. Yeah, now card design is changed. I mean color is changed. I'm going to add text inside this. So here I want to add a image first, img source, and here first I want to use this member, and here I want to add a break tag. After that, span, this is card 1, and after that I want to add a break tag. Duplicate this for one more time. This is just give 10,000. We have card like this, and I want to align this content in center. So go here. This is the card one, right? Here I want to add a display flex. And align item is center, and yeah, this is fine. And if I save this, we get all content in center, but we have everything in one row. So I'm going to cut this, put it inside one div, then we will get a design like this. I'm going to increase the height and width of this, I mean font size of that. So card, paste that, and here card span, inside the card span, here I'm going to add a font size, just leave it like that, and I'm going to add a font weight here. Font weight is, yeah, I think this is fine. And I want to change this card to white color. Here the name, copy that and save this. I'm going to duplicate this for one more time, and this is one. I'm going to replace this to this class, and here color, I'm going to add a color. This is white. Now this is fine, and I need some spacing, I mean in the left, so I need to add this for this div. Okay, so here the card space, here margin left as 10 pixel. Yeah, now we have some spacing at the left. Yeah, this is fine, and we need to add this for a other cards also. So, and I want to copy this, I want to remove this first. Okay, so here I want to duplicate this for a 3 and 4 and one more time 5. Here we have cards like this. Now I'm going to remove this height, because the first style, this height and width is applied for all classes. So all cards. So here I'm just having only the color. Okay, and first one, this card 0, this will be this color. Okay, so I'm going to remove a color from that class. Here, where is it is, where it is, save this. So I'm going to copy this, go here and paste it here. First I save this. We have got 0 color, and this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, and this is 4. Yeah, the color is okay. I'm going to add a border radius for this. So here border radius is 5 pixel. Yeah, now this is fine. I'm going to add this 2 circles for this cards. So I'm going to add a div after this. Here class D, circle 1. We have two circles. This is D circle 2. Copy this and save this side, and after this, here height of that circle I just give 100 pixel, and this is width, it's also 100. Background is white. I just reduce the transparency, and border radius is half of the height and width, so 50. Then only we will get a circle. Just refresh the screen. Still we have a circle like that, and just reduce the height is into 80 to 60, 65. Just give 70 for that. Now this is okay. Now I'm going to align this in left, okay, and I need to hide half of the circle, so I'm going to inspect this. First I give position absolute for this, position absolute, and right is 0 and bottom is also 0. First I save this. Where it is, I didn't, yeah, it's placed here, so I'm going to give a relative to the parent. So what is our parent class? Yeah, this is our parent, so this is position is relative. Then our circle will create inside this, and here with this, so I need to increase, yeah, now this is okay, I think, yeah, right. Yes, circle is okay. Now I'm going to hide half of this circle, so I'm going to inspect that and get that class here, and I'm going to, yeah, this is fine, and I'm going to reduce the border to just, yeah, this is okay, yeah, this is fine, and I'm going to copy this and paste it here, and I want to duplicate this for one more time, and I'm going to copy this class 2 and paste it here, and I'm going to change this bottom to top. I have a circle after this, but it's overflowing after the circle, after the container too. So I'm going to add a, where is the container class? Yeah, it's here. This here, I'm going to add a overflow hidden. Then this circle is not overflow. Okay, so I'm going to inspect this. Here I'm going to reduce the top. Yeah, this is okay, and I'm going to add this right. Yeah, this is fine. I'm going to copy this top and right and paste it here where it is, this one. Save this, and yeah, I need to get this little down. Yeah, this is fine. Just top is 20 here. Yeah, now this circle is ready, so I'm going to copy this two divs and paste it after this, right. Now our circle is ready, and this card is ready. After that, I'm going to split this half into two sections. One is for this list, another one is for this list, okay. So go here after the card section. This is header and D inner container. This is D card 1. What is this? Oh, this is the second one. And I think this is the card section. Yeah, D card container. After this, I'm going to create one more div. Yeah, here I'm going to add one more div. This is the I'm going to split this two section. So in this div, so I'm going to add a class name. So D sub container. Copy that and save this. Inside this we have two div. So copy that and save this side, and here paste that and display grid template column. We have even size, so just give 50% and 50%. And now I'm going to remove this main card background, so that I'm going to add a class for this. This is D container, D sub 1, and I'm going to copy this. This is 2. So copy this and save this side, and here background is white, and I just specify the height as just give 50 VH and save this side. And I'm going to remove the background color of this main container. Think where it is. Here, copy this class, go here and find and comment this line and save this side. Now the background color is removed. This is our today section. Okay, so I need to increase this to 70. 70 is little high, so this is 65. 65 is also not good. 64. Now screen is not scrolled, but we need some spacing between this, I mean after this, so or 32, so I mean 62. Yeah, this is fine. And I'm going to copy this and I'm going to duplicate this for one more time, paste it here, save this. We have two container, but it's merged, so we need some, we need to reduce the width of this. This is 90%. Duplicate and add here. Yeah, this is okay. 98, 98, and here too. Now yeah, this is fine. And I'm going to add a border radius for this, 5 pixel, same as for this too. Yeah, now this is fine. I'm going to add a list here and here too. So here I'm going to add a div. Inside div we have one title, so I'm going to add a div. This is today, and after that div we have some content, like I'm going to create one more div for this. Inside div we have this one, test one. I'm going to add a span tag for this. To close this is test or a John, and after that I'm going to add his age is 32, and after that Yeah, just display the number. And yeah, we have content like this, but I need some spacing for this div. So I want to add a, here I want to add a class d sub 1 space, or a d sub space sub inside. Copy that and save that. And here margin is 10 pixel. Now we get some spacing inside this. After that, I want to add a class for this, and here the sub list. Copy this and save this and paste it here. Here I want to add a grid, display grid, and grid template column is, we have 3 sections. One is name, another one is age, after that phone number. So I'm going to give a 30% for a name and 10% for a age, and totally 40, and 60% for a phone number. Or I can give a 40 to the name, and here I just give 50 to phone number. Now this is fine, and after that I want to add a in center. Yeah, now this is fine. After that I want to add a border for this, border 2 pixel solid, and just give gray color for this. I want to change the color to this. Now we have some border for this, and I need to add a padding for this, 5 pixel for every side, and border radius 5 pixel. Now this is fine. I need some spacing, so margin top and right will be 5 pixel and left and right will be 0. Then only we will get a space after this today. Here this is d sub title. Copy that and save this, and here paste that. Here I'm going to increase the font size of this font weight. It is 800. Yeah, this is fine. After that I'm going to loop this one and save this. Here we have this numbers, and we can add a scroll too. So we can cut this and add a div here and paste inside this, and here class, and just specify height, some height to this. So this is d sub list scroll. Copy that and save this, and here after this just specify the height. This is 40 VH. Why it's not reflected? 90. Oh, now scroll is supplied, but here this is fine, I think. Yeah, right. Okay, and overflow is y is auto. Save this, and this is the 40 VH. Just increase this to 50. Now 52. Yeah, this is fine. Here we have scroll, but I need to reduce the scroll size this to scroll bar width is thin. Now we get a small size, or otherwise if you give none in this place, you don't have any scroll for this, but this content will scroll. Okay, in your wish, I just proceed with the thin. Sorry, I just use none for this. Here this is fine, and I'm going to copy this entire thing for this and here too. So copy this and paste it here, and this is good day. Yeah, this is fine, and I need to paste here too and paste it here. Save this here. This is our scroll content right here. We have this. So here we have height for this device little high, so I'm going to change the height of this. So here this is container 2, right? So sub list scroll 2. I'm going to duplicate this for more time. I'm going to change this to this, and here just give 100, and save this side too. Oh, 100 means it's, oh, we already allocated some space for this header, so we need to reduce this 100 to 80. And if I duplicate this content and save this, yeah, here it's scrolling, right? Two more time. Now we have scroll here. After this, think this is fine. Finally, here our dashboard is ready. In here, in my case, I just give a list here. In your case, you can use any, you can display a graph or anything in this place. Okay, yeah, that's it for this video. Bye bye.